So I'm currently on Kata Beach. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, and I thought I'd see what it's like on Kata Beach at 8 o'clock in the morning. See if it's busy or not. I mean, it looks beautiful. The sky's not very nice. It looks like it's going to rain, but wow, that looks absolutely gorgeous. So let me turn this camera around and we'll have a stroll together. Let's see what we can see. So before I didn't have a chance to walk down this part of the beach. It was very, very hot at the time. But I thought, let's get up early this morning and go down to the beach. And see what it's like. And I'm really glad that I did. This is beautiful. Oh, I think this might have to be a regular thing. Oh, I'm jealous now. Someone's out there swimming in the sea. Lovely. Oh, this is quite beautiful. Very quiet, and not many people around, and it just makes it just so lovely. I definitely should have done this before. Okay, so we're staying in Kata Beach for a while, probably for another 2.5 months, because I need to decide where we're going to live, and the plan is to spend like 3 months in different places to get an idea. Because you can spend 1 week in a place, but it's like you're on holiday, so it's not quite the same thing. And then I think 3 months is actually enough to decide if you actually like the place or not. Possibly even 2 months, but to be on the safe side, 3 months. Also makes it easier to rent out properties if it's 3 months. As the price goes up, you end up paying the monthly rate instead of the 6 month to 1 year rate. So we did get the 6 month rate by staying 3 months. Did try out the Airbnb first in a different location, and that wasn't a very nice experience. So I don't think we'll be doing that again, unless it's only for a night or a couple of nights or something like that. Wow, this is just gorgeous. Wow. Wow, this just really takes your breath away. Oh my God. think I'm gonna have to go to bed early at night rather than up editing until 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock in the morning. I mean, trying to get up for 8 o'clock, that doesn't seem to be working. So I've probably only got about 4 hours sleep last night. But I think I might have to change my plans because this is just so beautiful. And I can actually walk on the beach without the sun coming down on me. So it's actually quite nice and cool, because normally it's just boiling hot and really uncomfortable. But 8 o'clock in the morning, it looks really good. The sun is there, but it's behind the clouds. So if the clouds weren't there, maybe it might be quite a bit hotter. So this is nice and cool. This is just perfect. It's like I travelled to a faraway island somewhere. You've got almost the beach to yourself, almost. People playing some volleyball over there. So they're up early. I suppose that's their daily exercise. I think this is going to have to be mine. So I haven't been to the end of this beach before. Looks like there's a few boats there, and then it goes to a rocky area. So I understand that Kata Beach is quite a small beach in comparison to others. So I'm going to have to go and check out some of the others and see what they're like in comparison. But I can't complain about this beach. Maybe if I got here an hour later, it might be a lot more busier. So maybe I need to get here at this time, or possibly even earlier. I suppose there's trouble walking to the other end of the beaches. Is that I'm going to have to walk back again. It's good exercise, because I'm having trouble finding a gym in Kata Beach area. There is one local to me. Trouble is, coming from the UK, even though UK is a cold country, we've still got aircon. So when you go into a gym in the UK, even though it might be pretty cold outside, it's even colder. But over here, it's boiling hot and sweaty even before you get into the gym. And it seems like they don't have aircon. So I am trying to acclimatise myself. I have to, I've got no choice, I suppose. But I don't think I can go into a gym without an aircon at the moment. I don't think I can do it. Okay, I don't work out that hard, and it's not exactly I'm running on a treadmill or anything like that. I'm walking at a pretty fast pace and lift some weights, but I do like the aircon on. I think I was spoiled because we went to the Holiday Inn Hotel, and that was absolutely fantastic and great. And the gym was a really good experience as well. So I think I got used to that standard. And now I can't find anything similar to that, which is a real shame. Anyway, that's my problem. I have to get used to the heat. I have to get used to the way that they do things. And it might just be a local thing, I don't know. It's like I'm used to going in coffee shops with aircon. And then I come to Phuket and Kata Beach area, and I can't find any coffee shops with aircon. It's amazing. It's so hot country. I can understand it's expensive to run the aircon. So, totally get it. I don't even like running the aircon where I'm at the moment. But because it's so hot, you walk into the room and it's 32 degrees. I'm not used to 32 degrees. So now I managed to, well, survive at night at 27. It was 26 before. During the day I try and survive on 28 and 29, but no, I haven't climatized myself yet. Okay, so we're coming up to the boats now. And we're coming to the end of the beach. It's a little bit more stonier down here compared to up there. Okay, I haven't had a look at the boats actually, so it gives me a chance to see what kinds of boats they have here. They're supposed to be expecting some thunderstorms even yesterday. I wanted to go and take you to see a big Buddha. But the weather just came over so dark, it wouldn't have made a very good video. So I'll have to do that another time. Hopefully if the weather clears up today, then that might be a possibility. Well, I think we're trying something a bit different today, which will be good. And then I'll bring you along and you can join us on this journey. Yeah, it's a little bit more stony. Oh god, almost tripped over us now. It's a lot more stonier over here, this part. Not so nice to walk at this end, especially if you've got bare feet. Quite beautiful. I think the beginning part was more beautiful. It's quite stony here, as you can see. So, not as nice, but still nice. I'll walk to the end. And then I'll stop the video. No, it just seems to be one house on its own up there. And I can't see any bedrooms looking over the sea, which is a real shame. I think if I was going to build a place, I think I'll definitely have a nice big room at the top there, looking over the beach, or maybe they've got a room directly looking over the sea on the other side. I'm cut off a little bit here. I'm very cut off. So I haven't got appropriate shoes to walk across this. Unless I jump. I was thinking about bringing my sandals, but I decided against it because they hurt me last time. Okay, so that's it. That's Kata Beach. It'd be even nicer if the sun was setting first thing in the morning. Well, it's actually 8:30 now. Quite beautiful. So thank you for joining What's Dean Doing in Thailand, and I'll catch up with you again. See you next time. Bye.